Hi guys, this is Sadik from debugging.com. In this video, we'll show you how to disable the Google Discover, which appears on the right swipe on your phone, OnePlus phone, and also I'll show you how to replace it via the shelf. So just do a right swipe and you will get the OnePlus shelf over here. There will be no Google News, nothing whatsoever. This is the same as you might have seen in the ColorOS as well. So I'll not do the same on the OS. This will work without the need for root. That's the best part, and will work across all the OnePlus phones. So with that in mind, let's get started. Although there is a way to do via the root as well, but I will not show the root method because that's of no use. Let's only use the non-root approach. For the non-root, there are two ways out. Either use the ADB command or use a third-party app. I'll show you both the methods. So let's get started. So first and foremost, you will have to get the Android SDK from my article, extract them onto your PC, and you will get the following files. Next up, enable USB debugging on your phone. So for that, let's go to the settings menu. Then go to about device version. Okay, first up, go to about device version, type on version number 7 times. This will enable the dev options. Once that is done, go back, go to system update, dev options, and from here, enable the toggle next to USB debugging. That is it. Let's first verify the debugging connection, which is very important. So type in CMD in the address bar of platform tools, hit the enter key. Now type in the command of ADB devices and verify you are having an ID. So you could see we're having this ID. If that's all well and good. So now let's move ahead with the next step. So now we will first use the ADB command to get this job done. So for that, the command is as follows: to turn off the Google Discover, and you don't want the shelf, you only want to remove the Google Discover from here. In that case, use these two commands. But if you want to replace the Discover with the shelf, in that case, use these two commands. The command till here are the same, only the numbers at the end are different. If you use the zeros, this will simply turn off Google Discover. But if you want to replace it with shelf, in that case, change 0 to 1, and that is it. So first off, let's see how it looks to turn off the Google Discover. Copy the command, paste the command in the CMD window. The first command as well as the second command. Let's copy this as well and paste it here. Hit enter. Okay, one more very important thing. On some phones, you might get an issue or warning sign after the put command. So in that case, if you're not able to use this command, I might have a reference as well. Okay, something like this. Although this is a different command, but let me show you. If you're having this unable to execution grant or put, so exception occurred while using the put command and you're having this issue, in that case, there is one simple fix. Let me show you how that fix can be done. So go to the settings menu, then system and update, dev option, scroll all the way down. Okay, just a minute, down. So at the bottom, you see this option, disable permission monitoring. Please enable the toggle next to it. It's very important, and do a restart. If you don't do a restart, then this will not work. So please do a restart after enabling this toggle, and then there will be no issue with these commands. So if you're having any issue, please first enable the toggle next to this, permission monitoring, then do a restart, and the issue will be fixed. Let me use a dark theme because I guess the light theme is not working right with the recording. There will be no issue with the dark. Yeah, now it's much better. So please do so. And once you have enabled the toggle, then a restart. Let's move to the next step. So as of now, we have used these two commands. This will simply turn off the Google Discover. Even though we have the Google app, still you could see Google app is still there on our phone. But if you do a right swipe, you could see Google Discover is now gone from our phone. Even though the Google app will still work without any issue. But this is now gone. So this was the first method. Now I'll show you how to replace the Google Discover with shelf. So for that, let's first bring back the Google Discover. The method is given here. Bring back the Google Discover. Let's first bring it back. Change the numbers to 2 and 1. It's all about the numbers. The command are same for all the things. Only the numbers get changed. Now it's a 2 and 1. So let's first bring back the Google Discover, which is here. Hit enter. And we should have now got back. And you could see we have got the Google Discover back. So now I'll show you how to replace the Google Discover with the shelf, which is again a nifty workaround. In that case, just replace the zeros with the 1 and you will now replace the Discover with the shelf. So let's try it out. As of now, we have the Discover up and running. So simply copy paste both of these commands and hit the enter key, 1, and this is also 1. Copy and paste, hit enter. We should now have got the shelf. And you can now see we have having the shelf over here. If this is appearing blank, then just hit the plus icon once and choose any other option from here. After that, it will be refreshed and then you will get back the shelf on your phone. In my phone is there, as you could see. So just do a right swipe and you have the shelf. and the Google app is still there. As you could see, it's working. So without using the root, we could able to easily get the shelf on our phone. Now I'll show you how to get this job done via the third-party app, which the name is SetEdit. So I'll show you how to do so. Again, let's first bring back the Google Discover. So it's the commands are as screen type 2, and then the next command will be 1, left enable 1, and we have got back the Google Discover. Now let's use the third-party app whose name is Shelf. Okay, SetEdit. Get the app from Play Store. I have the app onto my phone already, which is over here. Okay, let me do so once again from scratch. This will be much useful for you all. So let's get started. Let me now get the SetEdit app. Let's skip them for now. No thanks. So let's install the SetEdit from the Play Store. There is one more app by the same name in GitHub that might not work. So please only use the one from Play Store only. Open the app. And the first thing you should do is minimize it and now give it the required permissions. This is the command. Simply copy the entire command. Again, before doing so, verify that you have enabled the disable permission monitoring and did a restart that I've shown you earlier. So from here, dev options, scroll down, enable this toggle, and then do a restart of the phone. And only after that, this command will work. So now simply copy the command, paste the command in the CMD window. And now the app has got all the required permissions. And now we may get the job done from the app itself. No need for the ADB commands. So now launch the app. First off, change the system table to secure table, which is this one. And now it's only the matter of two commands. As before, the same commands are there, which is the assistant screen type and the assistant screen type left enable, which are over here. Assistant screen type. These are the two commands. So if you will change both the values to 0, then this will turn off and disable the Google Discover. If you change both the commands to 1, this will replace the Discover with the shelf. And for 2 and 1, this will bring back the Google Discover. So let's now try it out. So let's say we want to replace the Discover with the shelf. In that case, as you might be aware, to replace it, the value should be 1 for both of them, for this and this. So let's change the value, tap on it. First off is the assistant screen type, edit value, 1, save changes. The second one is already 1, as you could see. It has a 1 value. Both the values are now 1. Minimize the app, and you could now see we have got the shelf. That's great. If you change both the values to 0, this will simply turn off the Google Discover. By 1, we have the shelf over here, both the values. Now to get back the Google Discover, simply change the first value to 2. The second value will remain 1. And now we will get back the Google Discover, as you could see. That's quite great. So guys, that's all from this video. If you have any query, let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching the video.